Hey everyone, want to upload screenshots or images instantly with ShareX? One of ShareX's best features is its ability to upload files to supported image hosting services and automatically copy the shareable link to your clipboard. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to upload images with ShareX step by step. So let's get started. First, open ShareX from the Windows Start menu or your desktop shortcut. Once it launches, you'll see the main interface with options for capturing, uploading, and managing your files. Before uploading an image, you'll need to select an image hosting service. Open Destination Settings, then look for the Image Uploader section. Choose one of the supported upload services and complete any required sign-in or authorization if prompted. Yeah, this setup usually only needs to be done once. You can upload a new screenshot or an image that's already saved on your computer. To take a new screenshot, use the Capture menu. If you already have an image, simply drag and drop it into the ShareX window or use the Upload option. Once your image is ready, ShareX begins uploading it using your selected image hosting service. Depending on your configuration, the upload may start automatically, or you may need to confirm the action first. After the upload is complete, ShareX can automatically copy the image link to your clipboard. You can then paste that link into emails, chat applications, forums, or social media without needing to upload the file again. If you upload images regularly, take a few minutes to review your upload settings and history. This makes it easier to keep track of shared files and customize how ShareX handles future uploads. And that's how to upload images with ShareX. Once you've configured your preferred upload service, sharing screenshots becomes fast, simple, and almost automatic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.